Welcome back. I hope you are feeling awesome. As a part of this video, we'll see how to create a database and how to create a table. In our previous lectures, we understood what is RDBMS, what is database. We also understood there are different RDBMS vendors like SQL Server from Microsoft, Oracle, PostgreSQL, and MySQL. In order to do a hands-on as a part of this course, we will be using a MySQL, which is a open source. In order to work on MySQL, first and foremost thing is you got to install Ubuntu, and within that you have to install MySQL. In case you have not installed Ubuntu on MySQL, please watch our installation videos and complete the installation of Ubuntu and MySQL within Ubuntu. Let's get started. I have logged into Ubuntu and opened a terminal. We can access the RDBMS system through either a terminal or interfaces like Toad. As a part of this, we'll be using the terminal to work in MySQL. If you have already installed the MySQL, you can log into the MySQL. You can just say MySQL or sudo MySQL, depending upon the way you have installed, you need to log into MySQL. I am trying to log into MySQL with the root permissions. As I indicated, you can log into the MySQL depending upon the way you have installed, either just typing a MySQL or a sudo MySQL, or the way I am doing it here, like MySQL-u root-p. So you have logged into MySQL. This is an RDBMS system. First and foremost thing is we need to create a database. How do we create a database? Very, very simple. Let me create a database called university. Look at the way I am doing it here. So I'm saying create database, and university is the name of the database. I created the database. In order to get into the database, you need to say use university. Yes, we are inside the database university. Have we created any tables here? Not yet. To check whether we have created the tables or not, let us use a command show tables. It says empty set. Let's go ahead and create a table now. I am creating a table called persons. At the moment, do not really worry much about the syntax. Just type in the syntax what I have typed in here. We created a table. Have we inserted the data into this? Not yet. Let us insert the data into this. We can insert the data in multiple ways. One of the ways, I'll say insert into persons values and the values I'm giving. So I inserted the data. How do I check whether the table has the data or not? Very simple. Say select star from the name of the table. Done. You can insert the data in a similar way. Let me insert a couple of other records into the same table. I did insert. Let me go ahead and say, there you go. You have 3 records now. One more way of inserting the data is you can combine those 2 rows into the same insert statement. Let me go ahead and execute this and insert a couple of things. There you go. Let me say select star from persons. We have 5 records here. At the moment, do not worry about how we are inserting. All I want you to do is get a file of how the database is, and within that how the table looks like, and how do we create a table, and how do we insert the data. Wonderful. You got to know how to create a database, within that how to create a table, then how to insert the data. Thank you.